Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you the very first pop-up shipping container hotel in Singapore. Stay tuned to find out more about this shipping container staycation hotel. Welcome back. This staycation hotel is the first pop-up shipping container hotel in Singapore. This is a business idea approved by Singapore's Ministry of Trade and Industry to encourage a brand new hotel experience in luxury off-grid living. The hotel is designed with mobility in mind, and therefore is intended to be at any one location for between 2 to 3 years, after which it's moved to new locations around Singapore. The hotel is built from a single 40-foot shipping container transformed into a 280 square foot trendy accommodation listed as a private guest house. The container sits on a concrete pier foundation to elevate it away from moisture. The elevated position is also ideal to construct an outdoor deck. Each container can house up to 4 persons. The interior design assumes a linear arrangement where all the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for open plan living and unobstructed movement. The living room is furnished with a pull-out sofa that can be transformed into a bed for additional sleeping space. In addition, there is a Murphy bed above the sofa seat, which can be opened down to create additional sleeping space. Alternatively, the lounge seat can be removed and the space used as a reading table or a home office. The kitchen is a small, compact modern space fitted with stainless steel appliances with overhead cabinet storage plus an under-the-counter space for a washing machine. Next to the kitchen is a cozy breakfast area with a sizable dining table that can comfortably sit or 4 depending on the need. There is a large outdoor deck with fancy deck chairs for guests to lounge on the outside, also to serve as an entrance porch to the hotel. The entire width of the deck is fitted with floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors that fully open up to the living room, the kitchen space, and the bedroom spaces, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. In addition, the large glazed openings can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and maximum daylighting, creating a good, relaxing atmosphere during good weather. With brand new solid hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows, the container has been remodeled to embrace both comfort and elegance. The living space has high-level storage cabinets, a wall-mounted mini-split system, a utility shelf, and a wall-mounted flat-screen TV in the lounge area. There are recessed ceiling lights, task lighting on the wall, and beautiful display in the dining space to add a touch of personality. Even though the hotel room fits in a single shipping container, it feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors and floor-to-ceiling windows. The bathroom occupies the closed end of the shipping container. The bathroom is lined with fully tiled walls and it features a toilet, a shower, a luxury vanity sink, and a big mirror to create a spacious bathroom. From outside, there is no secret this is a hotel made from a shipping container. The exterior is inscribed with big letters reading Shipping Container Hotel Number 1. The corrugated container walls are visible throughout the exterior with its original blue color and markings on the cargo doors to preserve its charm and marine history. The original container cargo doors are left intact to serve as security shutters to the full height glazing on that opening. The total cost of repurposing each container and connecting it to plumbing and electricity is between $70,000 to $110,000. A night at the hotel will cost about $150 to $200 depending on the day. Feel free to check out this amazing hotel through their website, shippingcontainerhotel.com. We love the interior decor and finishing of this amazing container accommodation. Which part of this hotel appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.